Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Sentry UI source maps and SDK setup step by step clearly. To uninstall the Sentry UI source maps and SDK setup, start by accessing your project directory. Navigate to the folder where the Sentry SDK is installed. Locate the configuration files for Sentry. Open the main configuration file in a code editor. Remove the Sentry initialization code from your application. This code typically includes a line that initializes Sentry with your DSN. Next, find and delete any Sentry-related packages from your project dependencies. For JavaScript projects, this can be done via your package manager. Use the command to uninstall the Sentry package. For example, run npm uninstall at sentry/browser or the equivalent for your package manager. Then, check your build setup for any references to Sentry source maps. Delete any configurations that upload source maps to Sentry. Ensure to remove any related environment variables in your project settings. Next, remove any Sentry-related files stored on your server. This includes deleting uploaded source maps if they exist. Finally, test your application to confirm that Sentry is fully removed. Check for any errors or warnings in the console related to Sentry. If everything works smoothly, you have successfully uninstalled Sentry UI source maps and SDK setup. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.